7:25 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Storm watchers and storm radars have reported a massive storm approaching the counties previously mentioned. There's a possibility between 2 to 5 inches of flooding in residence homes with a likelihood of 7 inches. Be advised to grab food and water and medical supplies in the backup tower radio. The emergency alert system will continue to update you as